Okay, number 5 and 6 are for you to try. So go ahead and write those down. Press pause so that you don't ruin the surprise of the answer. And then return when you're ready to check your work. Okay, if you're with me right now, you've done number 5 and number 6 and you're just waiting for the answers. Number 5 is 3 times the square root of 7. And number 6 is 10 times the square root of 2. And with practice, you will get very good at these and perhaps even be able to do number 5 and 6 without showing any work. Eventually. And eventually means probably with practice in Algebra 2 and maybe college algebra. Okay, number 7. Let's show some work on number 7. Number 7, I'm going to break down 320. I'm going to start with 2. 2 goes into 320 160 times. 2 goes into 160 80 times. 2 goes into 80 40 times. 2 goes into 40 20 times. 2 goes into 20 10 times. And 2 goes into 10 5 times. I've got a pair of 2s, a pair of 2s, and a pair of 2s. I'm going to take each one of those and multiply them together. So one from each pair gets multiplied on the outside, and the leftovers, I only have one left over, so it stays inside. If I had more leftovers, they would also get multiplied together and stay on the inside. So our answer here is 8 times the square root of 5. Let's try that again with number 8, with the number being 72. 2 goes into 72 36 times. 2 goes into 36 18 times. 2 goes into 18 9 times. And 3 goes into 9 3 times. When I end with a prime number, I know I'm at the end. So I've got a pair of 3s, a pair of 2s. So I have 2 times 3 on the outside, and I have my leftover of 2 on the inside. So I have 6 times the square root of 2. Okay, I think right here what I want to do is I want to give you another problem to see. So I want to give you some tries, but I want to just do this example real quick. So if I've got the square root of 60, I'm going to take 60, I'm going to break it down. 2 goes into 60 30 times. 2 goes into 30 15 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. We have a pair of 2s, so a 2 is going to come to the outside, and then my leftovers say inside. So I've got 3 times 5, which gives me an answer of 2 times the square root of 15. So when you have more than one leftover, they get multiplied together on the inside of the radical.